What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is MTV Alex, and as you saw on the previous video, I kind of started organizing my toolbox right now. But before I'm almost done. I just gotta put in the big stuff, but before I do that, I actually want to move it to its so far semi-permanent location, which I picked to be right there. So I need to take those shelves off, take the bench off, and I'm gonna set it over there. Yeah, I know that whenever I use the actual wing right here, it's gonna get stuck with the door right there. But that's okay, I can just lock it, make sure nobody walks in, and if they need to walk in, they can come around the garage. And all I can say for now, let's go ahead and get that thing off. You don't have to watch me talk, because I won't be talking. Just enjoy the music. Now I have a lot of holes right there. I'm just gonna cut them off with Now, if you can see, got a bracket right here and one on the other side, but it doesn't have one on this side. It's kind of weird. Let me see how I can lift it, because I can't lift it from here. So I got an idea. Okay. Look at that beauty right there. When you get the idea, let's see how I can make this work. Now this is what I was telling you about right here. All I gotta do is lock my door, voila, and I'm good. So, now, the reason I took off that shelf over there, because when I open it, it goes all the way like that, and it wouldn't have fit. So now, this is temporary, hopefully. My idea is to actually put it up against that wall, maybe. But for now, this is gonna do it. So I think this is gonna work great for now. This is what I got so far. This is gonna be kind of all my drill attachments and bits right here. I'm gonna make labels as well. Right there, this is gonna be for my bike tools so far. And then this, my drill bits. And I don't know, I'm trying to work it out, but most likely it's gonna end up looking like this. Then I have my screwdrivers, Phillips flathead, and then on this side, okay, we already opened that one up. I got all my wrenches and my crescent wrenches. This one is empty. I'm thinking about putting new bike spare parts. We'll see. Or electrical stuff like my meters and all that stuff. Oh, this is locked. Now this one has all my sockets. This is gonna go probably here. All my my half, my 3/8 and a quarters with accessories for each. And then I have all my hammers. This is just to hammer things, nails in. All my electrical pliers, all type of pliers right there. Channel locks. This is empty, that's empty, and this is empty. So I'm thinking about my my circular saw right here, my sanders and all that stuff. But so far I just wanted to get this in here and keep organizing my garage, because I thought it was gonna be faster than this, but it's actually taking a little while. Now, if you have any ideas, leave them down in the comment. I might take some of your suggestions. Like I said, I wanna put my bikes up on that side because that's where my truck sits right here. This is my wife's car right here. I'm gonna get rid of that. And I'm just trying to make this, a little better, more organized. Leave me ideas down in the description. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I want to bring my subscribers up. I'm gonna keep making content for you guys. Got my more bike stuff coming in, more organization things going on, more DIY stuff. See you on the trails, guys. Goodbye.